In the dark depths of the ocean, there lives a horrible kraken.
Ha! I'm not that horrible at all. Silver, where are the grandkids?
Captain Kraken, sir, we prefer to be your pirate crew.
My pirate crew? Then do you know how to make a spaghetti knot? How to jump on the bed with a flop? How to cook a soup with a saw? Clean the tub by using your claws? How does that sound to you?
Aye, aye, Captain!
That's what I thought. A smooch from a fair lady. I don't look half bad. Your old grandpa cleans up. Maybe without this.
What's the fancy occasion, Captain?
Seeing Miss Orca.
Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Be back by sunset. And don't follow me.
Why'd he get all dressed up? You still don't get it? He is a... pirate? Yes, but what kind?
A really old one?
No, he's noble. And what do noble pirates need most? Okay, A... K...
A kite!
I know what it is! A kiss from a lovely lady! And it's up to us to help him get that smooch.
I've got a plan.
Ah, Miss Orca, would you please allow me to... That's not right. Say, I've got an idea. You shall let me... Not that. Something different. By my power, I command you to let me...
You're looking rather fancy today, Captain.
No, stop. It is you who looks most dashing in that very becoming bag. A bag!
We have kidnapped your love!
Maybe after you save her, she'll, you know. Mwah!
Why, you scallywags!
Our disguises!
Give her to me right now!
Be careful, she's heavy!
Well, darn, you're right, she is.
Excuse me?
Whoops!
We didn't mean that the way it might sound.
Get me out of here!
Let me fix that. Just...
Time for our plan A. B? B.
Waiter!
Didn't you want to ask me something, Captain?
Yes! Well, I mean, not really. It's just...
Good evening. Tonight I'll be serving the lovely couple. Your first course, a little something on the house.
Oh.
This is also free.
Me?
I'll come check in later.
This is so good.
I'll just get this out there. Miss Orca...
One more thing. To serenade you.
Stop it! Hurry! Let's escape!
They can run, but they can't run fast.
Our captain will get his smooch somehow!
Huh? Looks like we're safe from them for a while.
Captain, please tell me what your question is already.
Yes, here I go. Would you allow me to, please?
Get a smooch from a nice lady. That is how captains woo them. Smooch the whale, it's easy. Smooch the whale, it's plain to see. Smoochy, smoochy now. Any day now, really play.
No storm nor volcano will stop.
Although it burned my croissant.
Just smooch the whale, it's super easy. Our noble captain needs his smooch.
Stop!
Get your smooch! Mwah!
What are you talking about?
What noble pirates need most, which is a kiss from a very pretty lady.
Pretty late. Lady.
I'm glad you find this just hilarious.
I'm sorry, Miss Orca, but that's not what I wanted to ask you.
Captain, what did you want?
There, Miss Orca. Will you let me?
Out with it, man!
Let me plant my sea cabbages in some parts of your garden.
What?
Maybe 5 or 6 square feet would do the trick. Won't you, please?
So that's all. Yes, you can use my garden space.
I've been so nervous. My cabbages are so important.
Happy to help, I guess.
Boring.
All this for some vegetables?
No romance at all.
No, Miss Orca!